Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to generate text to infographic for free. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from my laptop or desktop, I just open Chrome browser and I just want to introduce this website, the AI website, Pick to Chat. So once you type a Pick to Chat, there will be a website will be open here, pick2chat.com. So I have given the description link. Just click the link. That link will direct you to the Pick to Chat infographics. Yes, so here you can describe the topics for your infographics, and you can create a different types of infographics. What you have to do here, so first and foremost, just sign up with your Google. So I just want to sign up with my Google account, and I just want to create a beautiful infographic within a click with a free. What I have to do here, so simple and easiest tip I just want to share. So I just want to give a personal work or non-professional or education. I can give according to my need. For example, I just want to take as a education. So I am a student or educator or students of college educator for the college university. I can give, and if you want to subscribe, you can subscribe. Otherwise you just click to not needed for the subscription method. So this is a picture template box in your create your picture.com. so there are plenty of infographics method over here, so you can see and edit your infographics. For example, types of management style will be there. Just see the preview, and if you want to edit, you can edit this template using this visionary, demographic, and transformations and coaching, autographics and servants, and everything will be there. So now I just want to generate a new things. I just type types of a leadership for my school project. So types of leadership infographics, I just search. So once I type on the type box, there will be different types of leadership formats will be displayed over here. So using this option, so I can able to create or click and open that, and I can able to see that infographics method. For example, I just want to see this types of leadership will be there in this infographics, and common leadership styles will be there. So I can choose according to my needs. I can able to see. I just want to see the preview of this. So types of leadership, whatever topics I have given, everything will be displayed over here. So knowing the leaderships and text, everything will be displayed over here. I just want to see, and I just want to edit this template. What I have to do here, just click here for the edit template. Automatically picture will be open like a create a new edit templates will be open here. So this is an online free tool. You can share this file, you can download this file, and you can view this file, and you can able to edit the text over there. So you can use this kind of templates and symbols, and you can insert whatever you want. So if you want to change the color also, you can able to do that. So I just want to change this black theme or brown theme, or my branding theme. Whatever branding theme I have, I can give according to my needs. So I just create different types of colors patterns over here. So I can able to change the background patterns colors over here. So what are the color I want, I can give according to my needs. Yeah, so now I just want to type of leadership in my HowXT channel or anything else. I just want to type in HowXT. So for my purpose, I just want to give, and I just want to move this text. I can move anywhere else according to my needs. Simple and easiest tip for knowing your leadership styles helps you are providing guidance and feedback employees. If you want to edit the text, or if you want to delete the text, I just click to delete, or I can add. So HowXT is giving a lot of leadership quality, and like this you can give. So if you want to change the image, or if you want to change the infographics, you can change the infographics methods. Whatever things you want, you can give. So just click graphics options. You can choose different types of graphics over here. So you just create a proper icons, where icons will be paid versions, and subscription versions will be there, so you can use. So I just click here for this, insert this applications method. I just want to click and create a different types of icons over there, as you see here. So I can create a democratic leadership, and auto create leadership. I want to move some things else. So this template and this color, I just want to change the background patterns. I just want to change the background patterns as my needs. I just want to change the text color, text patterns. I just select this text patterns and text color over here. I just want to change different types of patterns over there, so that I can able to attract my people. So if I have a kind of a school project or college project or any types of infographics method for my office, I just want to see the template, I just want to create a model, and I just download this file and I can able to show to my things. I just click it for the download. So there will be a PNG option, PDF option, PowerPoint option will be there. So if you want a normal or medium quality, you can give a download as a page, you can give and download as a PDF, you can give automatically your infographics method will be download. As you see, this is all free versions. If you want to get more updates versions, you can download as updated versions over here. So like type of infographics and WinZip is there. So I just click here to download, and I just want to show this option here. So totally around um, 4 infographics method will be there. I just to see this one like a divided part. So similarly, within a second you can create your infographics. You can convert this one into a PPT, or if you want to convert into the PDF, you can make it according to your need. The quality is so nice, so there is no other pixelate over there. So you can print, or you can project, or you can present, you can show to your audience. So similarly, you can able to see all types of 5 infographics method, which will be divided into part. I can able to change and entire things until I just want to create a different styles. So simple and easiest click, using this click you can create your beautiful infographics method within a second using pick to chat option. So you create your a presentation or a infographic using pick chat applications or .com. You can use and make your life simple and easy. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.